Hi, this is Craig with MindFire. For this video, we'll show you how to use the new QR code generator with lists and variable data. This is part 2 of a 2-part series on the new QR code generator. You can view part 1 from the link in the description box below. QR codes associated with variable data bring tremendous power to your business, both for marketing campaigns as well as operational efficiency. As the world is moving towards contactless business, the significance of QR codes is increasing. MindFire has brought a solution here that provides a variety of QR code options with ultimate flexibility. Let's get started. To start putting together your QR code, log into your MindFire account and click on the Asset Library tab. Next, click on New QR Code. When working with variable data and lists, you're presented with the option to choose List. The first option for working with QR code generator when working with lists is Personalized URL. This option is only available if you are using a list and will generate a QR code that corresponds to the unique URL for each person in a contact list. This is for use in direct mail campaigns, for example. When working with the personalized URL option, you can associate the QR code with one of your capture leads campaigns, which you select from the drop-down menu in the Set Targeted URL field. First, be sure to choose the list that you want to work with. Then select Personalized URL as the content type. If you're working with one of your lead capture campaigns, you may select that from this list. This will automatically populate both the Set the Targeted URL field and the content field. You can also include any special URL parameters such as UTM tracking codes and query strings for enhanced traffic tracking purposes. Once you've selected those items, you can click on the preview menu and test your QR code by scanning it with your mobile device. If you are not working with one of the capture leads campaigns within the MindFire platform, you may direct the QR code to a URL in a separately hosted area, for example. Let's say you've built a landing page on your own website and you want to point the QR code to that website. Simply enter the URL for that website area here, and then also be sure to enter the instructions for the specific URL that will contain the URL. Now let's work with the V card. Again, be sure that you've selected the list that you want to work with, and then choose V card from the drop-down menu in the content area. Now you'll be presented with a pop-up form that gives you an example of how you can populate the form using the variable format from fields in the contact list that you have the QR code associated with. Simply fill in the fields with the correct variable name from the field in your contact list and save it. The idea here is to send a QR code that is formatted as a V card so the recipient can scan the code and save the contact information for a salesperson or customer service representative, etc. Our next option is text string. With text string, you can show a simple text-only message like the answer to a quiz or a discount code, etc., or perhaps an emoji. The text string option is quite versatile and is the catch-all for all kinds of applications. The text string can also be used when working with a list. In this case, you could send a prepared message that you have entered into your contact list. For example, each person in our contact list gets a different message, or you have groups of contacts who receive different messages. To do this, enter the name of the message field from your list in the content area using the variable tags. For example, or you can concatenate and use multiple fields from the same contact list to create a QR code logic, so to speak. Some examples are: send a preset text message to a predetermined recipient, initiate payments, reveal offers or coupon codes, add an event to the calendar, Wi-Fi code for your nearest store as in a franchise situation, follow someone's social media profile, pull up your store's menu. Now let's work with phone call. Select phone call from the list and you'll be presented with a dialog box. Here you may enter in a variable format the field that contains the phone number that you want the contact in your list to be presented with. Examples of this could be call tracking or various sales member team assignments. When choosing phone call using a list, enter the name of the phone number field from your contact list in the format of a variable and save. Let's move on to SMS. Much like the phone number, SMS can also be used with a list. You may pull the mobile number that this contact will be directed to when they scan the QR code from the list you're using. The mobile number in this field will be associated with each contact's individual QR code, and this can be different for every contact. Enter the field name in the variable format as shown here and save. Finally, let's move on to Google Maps. In the case of filling out the address detail for Google Map when working with a list, simply add the variable name from the field for each one of the address fields that you want the map to be custom populated by. Fill out each one of these individual fields in this same format, and the contact will be drawn to a Google map that is personalized for your purposes. An example of this could be that based on the contact's location, they may get a map of a retail location near them, for example. Once you've completed all the field information, you may save it. As we mentioned, QR codes are extremely powerful and very user-friendly. That's it for today's demonstration. I hope you found this useful. Please let us know if you have any questions.